Alright guys, so in this video, this video is a hard part, so if you haven't seen already, previously I made a video about, this like a Superman just to go berserk and, jump to the sky, and I add a camera shake, by the way. If you don't know how to do that, pretty simple. You just need to install the plugin, and a great shout out to like Eat the Future. I just browse the internet and find this plugin. Okay, it's a add-on for Blender 2.91. Okay, it's a CC0 license. Great shout out to Eat the Future. Okay, it's an amazing guy, and Future Proof Studios super cool software. It's really cool. So if you look at here, okay, I just added in the camera effect. So do here, get out the draw modes. I can just go to the camera, refresh it a little bit. We got out car window effect. Okay, so you choose this effect. You got a really like a shaky sort of feeling. Okay, it's like a handheld camera. Okay, it's really interesting. Okay, and of course you can choose different effect. Remember, we already add a constraint to the camera, and we can have like a spaceship shake, like a spaceship going to space, but it is not suitable for this scenario because it's just a man. Okay, you can shake like this, but that's just too much. So maybe you can get like a close-up sort of a shake. Okay, so you got like a shake, then I think there should be like a zoom in sort of a thing. I don't know, because the close-up should be like a really zoom in and then hand shake a little bit. I don't know, it's just a investigation. What's that? Very interesting name. Okay, it sounds like you're doing an investigation, but doesn't suit. Yeah, of course you can change the influence. Iconographer. Oh my gosh, what's that? Okay, it's really shake. Okay, so I find that the best like suitable shake should be the right now at least in this scenario should be out car window. You get like a really nice shake, that as if it was like a hand filmed. Okay, and here comes to the the hard part, which would be, after all this fancy stuff you have to draw. Okay, so I will try my best to like at least first let's try to like draw a clear line, and even though you don't necessarily need a lot of frame, at least people know what the heck is going on rather than just a bunch of really rough line. And second is that I will try to maybe fill with like at least one background color, because I want to play around with some sort of a stylized cell shading or something like that. So it will be like a little bit like anime, and maybe play with the light in the future, in a very near future. I tend to like learn like crazy recently, and then I'm trying to maybe add some sort of color that's one color, and maybe add multiple channel for this the timeline, because I haven't learned that yet. So I want to just a complex project and make it more like a in the production environment. So without further ado, let's get to it. And by the way, if you haven't already, please give the video a thumb up. Okay, it really helps a lot. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Okay, I do all sorts of things: art, animation, drawing, modeling, all sort of fun stuff. Okay, yeah. Let's get to it. So I think I already add a one like stroke action object transformation, all that X Y Z, all that to the stroke action and the stroke. So what I'm gonna do is to maybe add another layer. I think just that goes with the line and the color. So if I hide line, if I hide color, yeah, if I hide line, everything is just disappeared. So what I'm going to do is to change the name of this line to like a really long sketch lines, and this will be like a Blender line, okay, and just place it here. So of course you can hide it, you can just lock this, and you can get duplicate, unlock, merge, copy, all sort of stuff. You can do that, but right now let's just choose a layer like this, and of course we got like the 3D cursor, and we automatically get the canvas out, so we can actually draw. Okay, and I'm thinking, okay, 0 frame, right? 0 frame, frame 1, and this girl is going to crouch down a little bit. So I'm going to use this as a sort of a stylized thing, and I think maybe it's the spec of my computer. Just to feel really slow when it comes to draw. So by the way, I think I need to install the a plugin for add-on. By the way, the add-on called the Camera Shakify. So you can search it on GitHub, download it, and install. Click install. Just install it. And I think I can get Grease Pencil tool. Yeah, and then I think yeah, you're already enabled, so shouldn't be a problem. We got this a download import texture brush pack here, and we got this more brush I can play with, and I'm going to get a all sort of a brush. We can get a hold out brush. Maybe just use this one, okay, and maybe just to get rid of a sketch line. Now I'm going to try to so I think the line's a little bit weird. 3 cursor view. Okay, so it's at a view, but why is acting really weird? Okay, maybe it's like the after smooth effect, just to feel weird. Okay, harness, stroke, post-processing, random line, stabilize. There's none actually enabled. Why it give me a really okay? It's really hard for me to draw. Okay, why is that? Why I can't? Maybe just use the black over 1. Okay, maybe this is better. But why the line is the real snap? Oh, post-processing maybe. If I don't do this post-processing, maybe that will do. Why the okay, I think I just encounter a problem. Maybe have to do with the 3D cursor as well as a view. Maybe use the cursor. Yeah, we can't use the cursor. Yeah, the view setting shouldn't be a problem. Maybe let's go with the origin. Maybe. Okay, let's try this one. We can't do that. Yeah, so it's better to use the cursor. But why the stroke is acting weird? Okay, maybe it's the modifier. We got noise modifier. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't need this for now. So yeah, that's the reason. Okay, sorry about that. But I'm not going to edit this, because I think maybe some of you guys will encounter a problem like this. So so you won't get really confused. Okay, so maybe I'm going to draw some here, like this. Okay, can I get a semi little transparency X-ray, not so, you know, yeah, can I just hide this or make it semi-transparent? So if I can't do this, can I just get the cursor or maybe the stroke, grab this and x-axis maybe, just grab it, or maybe exit the draw mode, grab it, x-axis, maybe make it like outside a little bit. Okay, maybe that would do. And I haven't applied this. Really weird. Let me use it like a flying camera mode. Okay, this is really weird. Let's do this. Okay, so camera, and it should be outside maybe. Okay, let's go to the draw mode. Hopefully this can work. Okay, good. Okay, this do feels rather nice because I got some sort of reference. Okay, so she's like crouching down, and maybe the hand will go this way and go like this, alright, and then the hand will go like thumb, something like that, or maybe just you know, just one thing like this. So just yeah, you can sort of get away with this, and going down like this. Okay, just bend a little bit. Of course, you can always, you know, like change the reference a little bit, because this is just a reference, so there is no need to, you know, follow 100% of what is going on. Okay, and I'm going to hide the stylized. Okay, okay, maybe just a super women's suit, something like that, and maybe just some eyes, really stylized, something like that. Okay, it's really weird. But this is just one layer, right? You can go to another layer by just a, you know, back color, something like that, and you can choose the material as the black, like the black lines. Okay, and you can get the gray feel, and it would be stroke and feel, so it would just you know, the feel. And right now you can just choose the back color. Okay, and you can got like a really rough outline of here. Okay, so and of course you're going to make it like a below it a little bit, so it will not get pretty weird. Okay, so yeah, so you can of course just can I just insert all this as a frame? Yeah, we can do that. Okay, we can do that. So we can hide this sketches layer, and then I can use this layer, and of course all that is as a one stroke object attached to our like our guy here. I don't know why. Maybe it's like it's not a reflection, something like that. So you can't actually see the result. That's a little bit unfortunate. Maybe just use this material, and let's get back to here. So let's get, yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, and then yeah, you can edit that out. Okay, this is definitely something wrong that I haven't corrected, but yeah, you got idea. It's just that you do this, and then at the next frame, okay, you either yeah, maybe sculpt it, or maybe just edit this, or maybe just draw another new frame, and then use that frame as a layer that sticks, as a stroke to stick to the object, and then object move. Okay, right now I think my current skill is definitely not enough for this project, and the continuation of the better drawing will be like a waste of time right now. And so I'm going to just pause it here, okay, and just call it for a day. So basically, a quick takeaway right now is that you can use the like a really shaky camera and to add like a better effect for your clip. And the second thing is that you can use a sketch as like a base layer, and then adding a better lines as well as better color. Do be careful about the order, and of course, if you think your line is weird, I suggest you check out whether the modifier, whether it's actually applying a modifier, or the modifier is applied. So if it's actually applying, you either just delete it, finish your drawing, and then apply it, adjust it, and apply it, or you just ignore the like just delete the modifier altogether. So everything will be like hand drawn. So that's what I learned during this like very interesting playtime, and so I think the current like the area for me to improve is not the technology and the software side, but rather it's all depend on me. Okay, I have to improve the like drawing skill and anatomy, and how human like all this joint works in order to make things interesting. The first thing area that I need to improve. The second area is that I need to improve the storytelling. So gradually I realized that the bottleneck is not about the skill of a certain software or certain technology, but rather the bottleneck is about the skill of yourself, and the creativity that you have, whether you are using all this telling a good story. Okay, I feel like as long as I got this at least two area improved, this clip as well as the all these other clips, like a different camera angle, can be improved significantly. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video of my experiment, and I will see you in the next video. Okay.